Yo, what is up, YouTube? I'm back again with another vid of Actv016. I think that's what the company's called. Right here, this is the company. I saw some of their joggers, saw some of their stuff, and I was like, yo, you guys' stuff is sick. I want to go ahead and cop. So we hit them up, boom, got the order. So I'm gonna do the unboxing with you guys. You guys know the drill. This is a unboxing review video. I'll show you guys the sizing, go through all the product with you, but this is their homepage. You guys can check it out. Just to go over some sizes again real quick, a size small. So my waist is like 29 right now, 29, 28, depending. I am 100 and I want to say 52 pounds, 150 pounds right now, because I've seen some people from Utah with this company. So it popped up on my page and I was like, hey, hit them up, and boom, got me a hookup. So I'm excited to see this and try it on with you guys. I did get joggers and I got a hat. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, if you like my video, boom, subscribe. So let's get to it. All right, let's start with their box right here. There's the stuff. Small company, but you know, smaller, could be upcoming company. So first things first, got the hat. Ooh, you know I caught that hat. Oh, this is a nice hat actually. It's like a mesh material. Snap back in the back. Actv016 right here. My hair is getting long again, guys, which is a good thing. Okay. All right, that's the hat. Oh, I actually like the hat. It looks like, if it's like my dark sport hat, it's like a A-frame kind of hat. This is a really nice hat. And it's like a dry fit, like mesh material. So there's sweats. Let's see. Packaging is pretty standard. So I got these because they kind of look like Lulu ones, kind of like ASRV. But that's what it looks like. Material is really nice. Got the backpack right here, the back zipper right here. There's only one zipper, so it's in the back right butt. Nice deep pocket. It's like it's definitely an active wear. There's the logo right here. It's cuffed at the very bottom. Let's throw this bad boy on. Alright, so while I'm talking to you guys, and check this out right here. So I put on the pants. The pants feel amazing, really stretchy. Right away I knew, I was like, okay, it fits super well. Very tapered to the leg, so there's a lot of breathing room to it. Usually when I do wear my joggers, I do kind of pull it up just a little bit so it kind of shows off my ankle. But it's perfect, like tapered fit. Like the bottom of the cuff is very tight, so it does squeeze perfectly nice. Yeah, for the price of these joggers, it's not bad at all. For a company like this, their quality of the stuff is actually really good. So I'm mad in love with it. It's super nice. Maybe one day I'll get the shirts, but as right now, the hat and joggers will do. So if you're a small, get a small. And the hats, it's really good. If I can like describe a little bit more of the style of the hat, it's definitely an active wear, just because like it's sweat proof and it's like a mesh material, so it's really, really nice. So if you guys enjoyed the video, thank you so much for tuning in. You guys have a wonderful night. Happy Valentine's Day. Subscribe if you guys haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace and love.